Hi everyone. I told you I might be putting in another segment just to kind of keep you guys, stringing along there. Just kidding. But anyway, so this is what the smaller things that I have done so far. And I just happened to have one of those little label makers. So I put scissors in this drawer here, some that I don't use that often, and I think this is a fabric scissor. And then my sponge brushes are in there. I have other scissors that I craft with in there. I have my Tri-Blend markers in here. And Tri-Blend is not the same as Copics or anything like that, but I have learned over the years that you need to keep these kind of things horizontally. So this particular drawer was just deep enough to put those in there. And that's not like a whole set or anything. That's just what I've collected so far. And then these, I think, are actually something that Hobby Lobby came out with, and these are alcohol markers. So, and these are just random ones that we picked out or probably found on sale or something like that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that's what I've gotten done so far with that. And I've just done really small things and in between doing laundry and things like that. This one, of course, is not as pretty as that one. And so in this drawer, I went ahead and just put little, oh my goodness, my little findies. I didn't know I was going to do that because I'm not familiar with this drawer. So anyway, I have little things like this in here and just that in there. And then I happen to have a, let me get this out over here to show you. My little label maker, and I went ahead and bought some, now this came with it right here. This one came with it and actually came with two. But I went ahead and bought these extra ones on Amazon, and even though they don't have that name on it, they are compatible. So if you were wondering about that, these are compatible with the Dymo. So I haven't put anything else in that one yet, but this is pretty scarred up, but anyway, it holds things. So that's all it matters on that one. And so anyway, I haven't really touched anything on my desk yet. I'm still just trying to figure out where I want to put everything. And once I do, I'll give you the full tour then, okay? All right, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like this video. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And for those who have, thank you so much. All righty, bye-bye.